is dying on that. We're investigating a leak. Weirdly, the cutlery drawer, the spoons, seem to get wet randomly. It's just another leak in Matilda.
They're not like a little bit damp.
Yeah, it's like floating,
water,
isn't it? Yeah.
To the point that when we moved, as in relocated plots, we put our remote control for our expensive TV in there.
Oh yeah,
and
we
it drowned
had to get
it.
a new one, yeah.
It was submerged.
I could stay in that cupboard. Why is it always getting all dribbly on it?
Here at all.
Where's it coming from then?
Makes no sense, do it?
So we resealed the hob, so it's not coming out of there.
No, that's all resealed. There's literally nothing back here. There's nothing's damp.
It's a mystery.
And no signs of water. And
What's
it's more than condensation as well.
It's puddles. It's a puddle of water that's in there.
Yeah, like a good couple of mouthfuls.
I don't.
No. There is nothing back there. That's crazy. This could only be the place, can't it?
Reseal all of that.
Yeah.
I mean, this is not coming out, but it's getting redone, isn't it? So.
Gonna get recovered, yeah.
But this might just fix it for now. Reseal all of this.
You see, that's where the water's getting in that.
Ah, oh, that's not great, is it?
Because it's just deteriorating the laminate.
Okay. Oh, don't pull too much of it off. Well, we can reseal that for now.
Yeah, I'll just
And then-
put a reseal across here.
When we're back and it gets...
You see, it's well dyed.
Yeah. A little job for today.
Yep. There's always a job for somebody. It's quite scary as a walk when you turn up like this.
In a big suit, in your big bee suit. Going in again. It's exciting. See what's been happening. Well, it's been 2 months, I think, since we first came in, isn't it? So there'll be a difference. They're busy already, aren't they? Yeah.
Oh, that got louder.
So all that white stuff, or the lighter coloured stuff there, is all new, and you can see they're filling it with nectar.
Ah, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
Oh, crumbs.
Heavy?
Yeah. You can feel the weight of it, if
Yeah.
you like. That's honey.
Give it a pick up.
Jeez. That's bonkers. That's like a sack of cement.
Probably coming eventually.
Queen rearing.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that one.
Looks like a carpet.
There's lots of drones on there. And the drones don't sting. They don't have a stinger.
Yeah, they're lovers, not fighters.
Yeah.
So is that all drones in the middle of the darker bit?
I don't see any drone cells on there. But again, there are drones on there.
Oh, you mean the
That-
cap cells?
That's
Yeah.
a drone.
That's,
That one there.
Yeah.
so the cap cells is stores, isn't it?
No,
Where's the cap cells?
all these ones here. This is all brood.
Right.
Okay.
This is all brood, and it's all worker brood.
Ah, okay, because it's smaller than the drone ones.
Yeah, the drone ones are the ones that are like
Yeah.
They're
they're
elevated,
bigger
aren't
and
they?
they stick out. Yeah. Nearer.
These are dense hives now, aren't they, compared?
Yes.
The first one.
Yeah. So they're like they're sort of a little bit dimpled, like golf balls.
Oh, okay.
So like this
Oh,
one
yeah.
here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Sort of, you see those little dimples?
Yeah.
You can tell that that's the starter one.
Yeah.
But it won't be. It's too early. There's nothing in it.
Oh, we're done. You had to leave Dave to it halfway through. So warm.
So
And
what?
it takes so long because there's thousands, hundreds of thousands of bees in there. I could stay in my hair. So we've left him to it for a bit. But we've got some wax and some honey. Give that a try in a minute.
Yeah.
Just looking at it all glistening in there, it looks so nice. But the sun's, as you can see, it's hot. It's got to be in the early 20s already, I reckon. It's only about
easily, yeah.
11:30.
Well, that's unusual for flats.
Ooh, a lotus, nice. Nice colour as well. Oh, there she is. It's a very French afternoon. It's the 30th of April. They call it something, I can't remember, but lots of locals, lots of market stalls. Everyone's happy. Bet you never thought you'd be building a... It can't be that difficult, surely.
No. Bits on bits. No, just a bit.
Screwdriver. Where did I see one?
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. I think I
There we are. Good girl. Building a child's playhouse. Oh, look at it. Finished. Finished product. That's amazing.
I cannot even have my bum in it. Honestly, look.